How do I update all fields in a Word document? I want a way of updating all fields in a Word 2013 document. If it works in other versions, all the better. I originally had this problem with Word 2007, and nothing seems to have changed since then. This includes cross-references, page numbers, tables of contents, indexes, headers, etc. If it can be updated by pressing F9, I want it updated. In theory, updating fields can cause other fields to need updating, e.g. a longer table of contents changes some page numbers in the main text. Taking care of the common cases is good enough for me. In fact, it's okay if I have to run the macro 2 or 3 times before it stabilizes. I just want to have a single macro that finds everything. My attempt so far doesn't update fields in text boxes inside figures. How do I update them, and what else have I missed? Edit, combining the answer given with what I already had gives a macro that seems to update everything, with a known defect.
I just do Ctrl+A to select everything, and then F9 to update the lot. Although, this misses headers and footers, but they update when you print preview IRC. ### update. I found the following macro. On a quick test it updated tables of contents, fields within paragraphs, fields within the header and footer, and fields within a floating text box figure. Hopefully that covers everything that you need. If not, please indicate what is still failing to update. Source: this URL.
This page looks interesting. If you are using Word 2007, the process is a bit different. Click the Office button and then click Word Options. Word displays the Word Options dialog box. Click on Advanced at the left side of the dialog box. Click here to see a related figure. In the general area, scroll down a bit to see it. Make sure the Update Automatic Links at Open checkbox is selected. Click on OK. That setting should make sure that all your links are always up to date. If you want to update the fields when the document is opened, you'll need to use a macro to accomplish the task. Specifically, you'll need to use either an auto-open or auto-close macro, depending on whether you want to update the fields when the document opens or closes. The following is an example of an auto-open macro you can use. Note that the macro makes sure that the options are set to force updating the fields and links when printing occurs, then it updates all the members of the fields collection in the document. If you, instead, wanted to update the fields at closing, you could use this macro. This macro is much shorter because there is no need to set the update on print options when you are exiting the document. Exiting the document.
Word 2010. Right-click the ribbon, customize the ribbon, choose Command from All Commands. Search for Update and add it where you want. This button updates only selected fields. Then, to update all fields, press Ctrl+A then this button.
If you want to properly update all headers and footers, this worked for me.
If you want to